guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair YouTube channel. I'm Catherine, and today I'm going to be trying to recreate Ariana Grande's sleeked ponytail. So if you want to try with me, keep on watching. Ariana Grande's ponytail is always super sleek, so first things first, we're going to straighten our hair. Always use a heat protectant spray to protect your strands when using hot tools. Brush the product through for even distribution and then section your hair off to straighten. Once your hair is straightened and smooth, you're going to separate a section at the front of your head and bring it forward out of the way. We'll be using this to cover the extensions later on. Next, at the crown of your head, gather a section into a small ponytail. We'll call this our base ponytail, and everything will revolve around this point. I recommend using a tiny elastic band to keep this ponytail hidden as well. To achieve a super high, long, sleek ponytail like Ariana Grande's, I'm using my Luxy Hair Extensions in blonde balayage to help me achieve that extra length. I like to pre-straighten them before clipping them in to match my hair's straight texture. Once your extensions are all straightened, take a 4-clip weft. Clip this in upside down under the small base ponytail. Then flip a layer up and out of the way. A second 4-clip weft underneath again, clipping this upside down for added volume in your ponytail. Use a 3-clip weft and clip this in at the top of your head, just above the base ponytail, going in the direction of the ponytail. To even everything out, I like using a 2-clip weft on each side of my head. Clip these in again in the direction of the ponytail. Once everything's clipped in, bring all of your hair together into one big ponytail. Lightly brushing to smooth everything and make sure the wefts are all covered and blended together. Tie the ponytail off with an elastic or two to secure. Next, grab some hairspray and spray back in the direction your hair is going. You can use your fingers or a small tooth comb to then brush back any flyaways. Ariana Grande's ponytail is always super high and voluminous, so a great tip is to tease the ponytail in layers to give it that boost. And that's it! While Ariana Grande's ponytail is absolute goals, this is our recreation of it inspired by her look. A couple of tips and tricks for high ponytails from celebrity hairstylists are to align your ponytail with your cheekbones to get the perfect position for your face. Tip number 2 is to use 2 hair elastics in your ponytail. This will keep your ponytail high and strong and prevent any sagging or loss of volume throughout the day. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're a huge Ari fan like me, comment below your favorite song.